Hi students and viewers. Now in previous class we learned about the Peninsular Plateau and about Ghats, Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. Now our topic is the coastal plains and the islands. Okay, this is the last topic of 9th NCERT textbook. We are completing today physical features of India. Okay, so many parts, nearly 5-6 parts I divided and explained for your comfortable purpose. Okay, so that you can easily to understand. Today now I am going to present about coastal plains and island groups of India. Now the coastal plains. First, in India we have east side eastern coastal plain and west side western coastal plain. Right? East side. Okay. East side eastern coastal plains and west side, east side eastern coastal plain and west side we have western coastal plains. Okay, and the coastal plains in different areas and different names are there. Okay, in west side the Konkan coast we are calling. Konkan coast from Mumbai to Goa it is located. From Mumbai to Goa, this area called Konkan Plain or Konkan coast. And Malabar completely in Kerala. Malabar completely in Kerala. Okay, and east side this is called Sarkar coast. Okay, mainly Odisha and some north part of AP also and some part of AP. Okay, and completely south side of eastern coastal plain here, mainly in Tamil Nadu area, it is called Coromandel coast. Remember, okay? So Konkan coast and Malabar coast in eastern coastal plain, while Sarkar coast and Coromandel coast in east side, eastern coastal plain. This is the location, and the Godavari Krishna rivers are so flowing, and Mahanadi also, and making deltas in eastern area, while that the eastern coastal plains are very fertile, and even the western coastal plains also very fertile, and here food production is more compared to another area, inside of peninsular area. We have that Sarkar coast is very famous for rice production, mainly AP and some part of Odisha, very famous for rice production. And while adjoining the rivers into the sea, Bay of Bengal, here the rivers are dividing into small tributaries, again making deltas. In the delta, delta lands are very fertile. Okay, and crops production also more. These about the eastern coastal plains and western coastal plain. And coming to islands, our last topic. What is island? You know, one part of the land covered with all side of the water. Okay, we have mainly two island groups are there. That is Lakshadweep Islands and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Clear? See, first we have to know about Lakshadweep Islands. The Lakshadweep Island compressed made with coral margin. What do you mean by coral? The coral margin means the sea animals like whales, sharks, different sea animals after after life expiry, death after, the skeletons are coming into some places and adjoining, and that after several years make a island. Okay, that's come under coral island, coral margin. Lakshadweep Island inside mostly the type of islands. Okay, but the capital city is Kavaratti. Kavaratti is the capital city. Okay, and Andaman Nicobar Islands. Andaman Nicobar Islands, two groups. Andaman located to north side and Nicobar located to south side. These one. And this is Lakshadweep and this is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Port Blair is important capital city, and you know, and here one of the active volcano is there. Okay, active volcano means every time the eruption will be, every time the lava coming outside, and it gives heat. Okay, that is called active volcano. In one and only in India, active volcano that located in Barren Islands. Barren Islands also in the part of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And coming to flora and fauna in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Flora means what? Plant world. Okay, different plants. And fauna means what? Animals, different type of animals. Here you see flora inside different type of animals. Great diversity is there. Okay, in India you see in physical physiographic divisions we are learning. Okay, physical features of in India we are learned about northern plains, we learned about Himalayas, we learned about desert, we learned about peninsular plateau, and today we are going to learn about island. These, okay, these in physical features inside also we have great diversical physiographic divisions is there. We are observed. The same way great diversity in India in the part of flora and fauna side also. Mostly in Andaman Nicobar Island, extent, okay, great diversity we are observed in the part of flora and fauna. So, children and viewers, we learned about physical features of in India. Okay, mainly about Himalayas we learned, and about northern plains we learned, and about the desert, Indian desert, the Great Indian Desert we learned, and about Peninsular Plateau we learned, and about coastal plains we learned, and about islands we learned. Okay, completed. Okay, complete physical features of India inside main physiographic divisions we learned, and I will explain to you some questions. Okay, wait. I will explain some important questions of this topic. See, okay. Here are some questions in the NCERT textbook. What is Babar? Okay, we discussed what is Babar. That is type of soil. Okay, old alluvium soil. And here you see name the three major divisions of Himalayas from north to south. Means types of mountains in Himalayas like Himadri, Himadri, Himachal, Shivalis. Okay, and explain. You have to explain. And see which plateau lies between Aravalli and Vindhya ranges. Okay, Aravalli and Vindhya ranges, Malwa plateau. We just now in previous topic I explained about Malwa plateau. The Malwa plateau is also, and you see here, and the difference between Babar and Kadar. Okay, Babar is old alluvium soil, Kadar is new alluvium soil. Okay, and Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. In previous class I told Western Ghats, west side Western Ghats, and east side Eastern Ghats. The differences here. Here the question is you have to explain about Western Ghats location and Eastern Ghats location, and Western Ghats which type of mountains is there and their height, and Eastern Ghats which type of mountains is there and that height, and rivers, about rivers also I have to explain for this answer. And which are the major physiographic divisions in India, and contrast the relief of the Himalayan region with that peninsular plateau. Here asking whole physiographic divisions, means about Himalayas, about desert, about coastal plains, about islands, about peninsular plateau here asking. But here particularly the division between the Himalayan region and peninsular plateau differences here the question is. We have to explain about the diversity and differences. And give an account of northern plains of India. About complete northern plain, the topic is there. About northern plain, we have to explain this answer. Okay, some short questions are there about Indian desert, about central islands, about island group of India. Okay, about which means Indian desert means third desert, and central island means the central part of India, Vindhya and Satpura ranges. And the island groups of India, just now I told about Lakshadweep, Andaman, Nicobar and Lakshadweep Islands. And map painting you see, here mountain hills is that Karakoram, Jaskar and Palkai, okay, and Vindhya ranges and Aravalli ranges, these given, and Mount Peak K2 also, and plateaus inside Chotanagpur and Malwa, okay, and the Indian desert, Western Ghats and Lakshadweep Islands. That is map pointing. One day I will take for map pointing also. recently I ordered map hunting. It will come soon. I will explain on that day this map hunting places also, and physiographic divisions also. I will show on map. Okay. Thank you viewers and students. Like my channel and share my channel. Subscribe my channel. Okay. Thank you.